What are you doing, Jasper?
We're doing a book.
Oh, are you going to read it to Octavia?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, bless you. Are you going to read it to her? Are you going to show her the pictures? Jasper, did you sneeze because you got oatmeal in your house?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You gonna tell her what that book is about?
Yeah. I want to tell Mommy about that book.
Okay. Oh. You gonna sneeze again?
Yeah.
Are you waiting for the sneeze?
Yeah.
It's not coming.
Yeah.
Maybe you aren't gonna sneeze.
Yeah.
Achoo! Bless you.
You thought about it.
Okay, just a sec.
You thought about it.